When you are done entering your data into your data section on your lab report, I want you to copy and paste the following information into a spreadsheet. So we're going to have one column be distance in degrees, and when you type it in, it's going to look like this. If you double click on the lines, it'll make that bigger. You're going to put all of the distances that you have for both labs. They don't have to be in order at all. Just put all of the ones for the theoretician and the ones for seismologist if you want. Then the next column is you're going to label it theoretician time in minutes, and then you put your theoretician times next to the degrees they go with from your theoretician data table. So that's going to be from the last column in that data table. And then you're going to have another column, seismologist time in minutes. And you can make that bigger. And then next to all the distances from your seismologist lab, put the time in minutes that you got from class yesterday. So it doesn't have to be pretty, they just need to be next to each other, and I think that this will work. So we're going to make a graph. So you select those rows that you have your data in, and you go to Insert Chart, and what we want is a scatter chart. So you're going to scroll down and find scatter, and that's going to be pretty close to what you want. Now when you do it, it may not look like this. If it doesn't, please come find me and I'll try to help you. So when I've done this, the title's not what I want it, and it's mixing a y-axis label, so that's an easy fix. So I go to Customize here on the side, and I click under Chart and Axis Titles. I want to change my chart title to Earthquake Arrival Times. And then I'm going to click here where it says chart title and choose vertical axis title. And I'm going to give it a vertical axis title, which would be time and then minutes in parentheses. So now I've got time in minutes here, distance in degrees here. I've got my title. All my points are plotted where they hopefully should be. And there's even a little legend here that tells me my blue is my theoretician and my seismologist is in red. So now I just need to copy and paste this into my analysis section of my lab report. So this is the only graph in the analysis section of your lab report. So you click on these three dots here. If they disappeared, click on the graph and click copy chart, and then back in your lab report you just paste it and go ahead and paste it unlinked, and then you're ready for your conclusion section.